At this point, we know that AI is here to stay. The NVIDIA that we know and love as kids have dabbled in the field of AI in the past few years. Going from the leading company in generating graphics for video games to currently contributing to the research in the field of AI, NVIDIA has evolved. Their latest invention, the H200 Tensor Core GPU, is regarded as the most powerful GPU in the world. Being the pioneer of graphical processing units in the late 90s, NVIDIA has once again revolutionized how GPUs can be used in the field of generative AI. Jensen Huang, the founder of NVIDIA, has always believed that there is a class of applications that wouldn't be possible without acceleration. One such application is video game graphics. NVIDIA popularized GPUs through video games, and they have been working very well with the software community to curate other useful applications of hardware acceleration. Now, NVIDIA is known for revolutionizing gaming and Hollywood with quick rendering of visual effects. By the year 2000, NVIDIA became the exclusive graphics provider for Microsoft's first Xbox. Enter generative AI. Turns out, the same parallel processing needed to create lifelike graphics is also ideal for deep learning. Due to the AI boom, tech giants such as Google and OpenAI have filled up their data centers with NVIDIA's chips to train their AI models. They have grown to what we now know as Gemini and ChatGPT, with a myriad of functions such as text-to-image generation, real-time translation, and many more. In the healthcare industry, DNA sequencing and medicinal research have been significantly accelerated. A process that would usually take weeks with traditional computing can now be concluded in a matter of hours thanks to NVIDIA's hardware. Lastly, the automotive industry also benefits hugely from NVIDIA's technology. Safety features such as radar cruise control, lane keep assist, and auto braking systems have come a long way since the integration of NVIDIA's AI chips. These systems utilize real-time data processing and machine learning algorithms to enhance vehicle autonomy, further improving driver safety on the roads. On the other side of the spectrum, people who mine cryptocurrencies also benefit greatly from the use of NVIDIA's GPUs. Seeing the potential and power that the regular gaming GPUs could provide, crypto miners went on, using NVIDIA's hardware for their mining rigs. NVIDIA also went as far as to develop a GPU specifically for mining, but it was no match for their regular gaming GPUs. These different use cases have generated great demand for NVIDIA's hardware, therefore pushing their GPU prices through the roofs and further solidifying their position in the market. However, with increased innovation comes increased competition. Other companies such as Intel, Qualcomm, and AMD have also been in the works with their own AI-empowering chips. Do you think NVIDIA can sustain its position as a market leader in providing AI chips and services? Let us know in the comment section below.